Claim: does Department of Telecom notice really ask for 2,500 rupees to install a mobile tower? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A notice has been circulating that is allegedly issued by the Department of Telecommunications, claiming to install a mobile tower and seeks 2,500 rupees as agreement fees. The document claims permission to install a BSNL 5G mobile tower on the recipient's property, congratulates them on site selection, and demands 2,500 rupees as an agreement charge to proceed. It references entities like Bharat Dur Sanchar Mantralay and includes seals and signatures while citing the Telecom Act 2017. See the notice here. Fact check. Truth. The claim is false. The NOC is fake and seems to be a part of a scam used for money extortion. There has been no such notice issued by the Department of Telecommunications and government sources have debunked this. Fact check details. Digit-i India decided to investigate this claim and found that it is false. The notice is fake and has been debunked by official government sources. Moreover, the DOT has clearly stated in its public advisory that such scams should be reported to the police. Moreover, point 1 clearly states that DOT TRAI is not directly or indirectly involved in leasing, renting the premises for installation of mobile towers. View a screenshot of this here. The notice cautions people and mentions that if a company does ask such an advance fee, then public is hereby advised to be more cautious and approach local police authority. View a screenshot of the notice here. There has been no certificate issued by DOT and this notice is fabricated. Thus, the notice is false. Claim: a notice issued by the Department of Telecommunications, DOT, claims to install a mobile tower at the recipient's location and seeks 2,500 rupees as agreement fees. Conclusion: the claim is false. The NOC is fake and seems to be a part of a scam used for money extortion. There has been no such notice issued by the Department of Telecommunications and government sources have debunked this. Rating: totally false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Digit-i India.